Hello everyone,
Hello.
welcome back to my channel. Today we're somewhere else than we usually film, or where I usually film, because we're in Singapore.
Yes.
We're gonna film a mukbang for you today, and we got some food from Jollibee. This is our first time that we try Jollibee, so this is our first reaction as well. So let's eat. Okay, first of all, I ordered the Jollibee chicken with
It's
gravy.
a spicy chicken.
Yeah, it's spicy chicken. 3 pieces. Oh, it's a bit more. Oh, it's
And we have iced tea.
it's big.
Oh. Cheers. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. We have to cheers. Mm. Noah has the burger. And we also
Yes.
have some gravy. So let's dig in.
The burger. Let's see. Although a burger, right?
Noah burger. Yeah, here it is. Okay. The mashed potato. Gonna try it.
Is it bacon? I think.
Have this one.
Okay. This is going to be good.
This is nice with the gravy. Without a gravy, it will be really
Dry.
dry. Yeah, exactly. This is nice. I think this is the gravy. Maybe we got two kinds.
This
of
one is
gravy.
nice as well. Oh, there's a pineapple on it.
Oh, that's why the aloha.
Yes. Pineapple. But I'm trying to eat it without the burger falling apart. Okay, the burger is difficult to eat.
Burgers are always difficult to eat. Wow, the chicken is so tender and so juicy. Wow, this is great. And it's still hot. We walked from the Jollibee's to hotel. It's like 2 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. Oh wow.
It's really good. Even with the pineapple, it doesn't really. It's a little bit sweet and salt because of the bacon, but it's a good combination.
So good.
Or you can put one.
Which one you want? This one or this one?
This one. Thank you.
So tell them some of the crazy rules in Singapore.
Yes. So one of the rules is like you're not allowed to chew gum, and you cannot eat it. You cannot sell it. You cannot buy it. You cannot import it. Also, you cannot walk around naked in your own house. So that's a bit strange.
Yeah, but then if people see it, that's what you meant. And if people report it, but I think they're not really that strict, you know.
And another weird one is you cannot sing outside
Yeah.
in public places. So actually, you're not allowed to enjoy music.
Kinda.
You can listen to it, but you cannot sing along.
Ooh, this is spicy. I think this is more spicy than the other.
This piece.
No, than like the other KFC.
Oh, the KFC one. I think also because we're in Asia, they love spicy food.
That's true. You also like spicy, right? Because you
Mhm.
asked for the spicy one.
Yes. But not too spicy.
This is pretty spicy.
Okay.
I'm getting red, so it's spicy. Oh, it's so tender, so juicy. Like, usually in Holland, the chicken, when you go to a fast food chain, the chicken is pretty dry.
Yes.
But this really stays so chewy, so juicy. Wow. Mm.
This all sauce.
Oh, great.
So many.
Because I ordered a lot of chicken
Oh, okay.
for 3 pieces.
I'm gonna eat chicken with chili sauce.
More chili?
Yes, more chili.
Oh.
Also, because I wanted to try chili sauce here, because we don't have that in the Netherlands.
Yeah, we do.
Not like this.
From Heinz.
Yeah.
At Albert Heijn you can buy it.
Oh, you can buy it? I've never seen it then.
I think so. Also the curry. You
Yeah,
know the
curry I've seen, but not
From Heinz.
Yes, but not
I
the
think
chili
they did this
sauce.
one I saw.
Okay.
And the other one. They also have
Well, I
other-
never buy sauces, so maybe that's why I didn't see it.
I love sauces.
The chicken is spicy.
I told you, right?
But it's good.
It is. It is spicy and good.
Really good chicken, also crispy.
And chewy, right? And it's really juicy. I think later when we have the garbage, we should throw it outside.
Yes.
When we leave tonight.
Because otherwise the whole room is gonna smell.
Exactly.
And we still have to sleep here, so
But it already smells like oil, you know? Baking oil or whatever you
not
call it.
for
To fry. Frying oil? You call it like that, no? Oh, wow. So juicy.
chicken is really good.
Yes, right?
Also, I think it's because they still leave the bones on it.
Always, right? Also in KG.
They don't leave the bones on there, right? Yes? I don't eat there enough then. To know.
I do. But in Holland we don't have Jollibees. Only in Asia and I think America,
maybe.
London. I know that they do have. Maybe Italy and maybe Germany. Not sure.
Haven't seen it in Germany. Maybe they have it.
Thumbs up for the service, by the way. The service was really well. Like, if you compare it to like Hong Kong, of course, like, they're always really moody. Most of them.
They just they look like they don't enjoy working all the time.
Yeah, but I think it's also like the whole, oh, everything there, you know, the whole fight in Hong Kong. So everything is really fast. Like, it's not really efficient, the way of life sometimes in Hong Kong and in Asia. Like here when we came from the security, you had to get like your stamps and your passport, and you had to scan your thumbs. I never had to scan my thumbs before.
I had to one time, I think. I don't know where it was. I think it was in Japan. The first time I visited, and then the second time they didn't check me because I've been there before.
Mm-hmm.
But at least they cleaned it before I scanned, and this one
No, this
they
one
didn't.
But I always have wipes in my bag, so it's fine. Well, thank you for watching. We're gonna wrap this up now, and see you next time. Bye.